Alright guys, I'm done with the wiring. Not completely, but running them through the hole. And I'm kind of moving these wires. They're very stiff, so they're PVC type wires. So what I do is I try to send them to their location where they're going to go. So all this is V1 wiring here. And then this would be V2, except this one. This is V2. This is V2 here, right here. And then this is the phase inverter tail type wiring. I'm sorry, the phase inverter tube, and this is the other resistors that are for the phase inverter tail. And this purple one here, this is your plate resistor for V3. The purple one normally goes to, depends on what kind of resistor you're using, but I'm going to use a 27K negative feedback resistor, and if I remember correctly, this purple wire goes to the 16 ohm tap on the selector of your transformer, but I'm just going to hook it up to the hot of the speaker jacks, so whatever ohm selector for 8 or 16 I'm using, it's always gonna be connected to your selector, if you will, by hooking it up here to the hot. So I'm just gonna hook it up there. And if you see here my preamp filter, these are the red wires that are going there that I soldered, that I showed you guys earlier. I'm gonna run them underneath this turret board so it won't look that messy, and I could just kind of see if I could do it now and not break anything. Alright, here we go. So let's see if I could show you guys a little bit more. Let me see. I'm sorry, I'm gonna see if I could fix it to where you guys could see a lot better. Kind of right on top of the right on top of the amp. So I think that's the best way. I think that's the best way to see what's going on. Sorry about that. It's just I have a lot of junk on the floor here, and sorry, hold on. If I was producing a movie, I would have got fired. Oops. See what I mean? I'll see if I could cut that off. Alright, anyways. Here's the first section of the board. I'm gonna zoom in slowly to see if I get a kind of show you guys the work that I did. So anyways, that's pretty cool right here. So that's what your board's supposed to look like when you're done wiring it through the holes and getting it ready to solder onto the control potentiometers and to your valves, your preamp valves. And this is basically the preamp section. And if I move down this way, here's your remaining part of the last preamp tube, and here's all your other parts, like your 220K bias resistors here, your bias control area here, and that's about it. And then you have here your tremolo section, which is right here. So I'm like a quarter, I guess I'm like a quarter ways done now. I would love to do now is get that 2 meg audio potentiometer. I haven't received it. Well, I haven't even ordered it yet. It's coming from Malaysia, from a guy named Nick, but I haven't given him the yes that I wanted yet. But ultimately, what the board's gonna look like, hopefully, if everything turns out okay, is that it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna zoom out. Sorry. There we go. Just like that. Oops, sorry. Now everything's misplaced. Anyways, it's gonna look a little bit like that. And somewhat like this when I'm done. And these are the split type turret boards, or turrets, I'm sorry, that I was talking about earlier. So this is for my JTM50 that I'm gonna build maybe in 3 months or 4 months. But I have to after this amp, I have to build my 68 plexi that I took apart. I'm gonna rebuild that, and I'm gonna do it from scratch, and I'm gonna videotape it too. But I ordered 2 sets of transformers, which would include the power transformer, the output transformer, and the choke from Brian at Marstrand. So I ordered one set for a JMP50, which I'm gonna use the 0.68 capacitors on. Then I ordered another set, but the difference is the OT is a 128 as opposed to a 138 for a I think I'm saying those numbers right, I hope. For the JTM50, which is it was used for a little while, and then they started using the 138 output transformer. But I already have the 138 output transformers. I want to just try something different. So, anyways, here's the amp, and I'm almost done. And what I would love to do is make clip number 3 and show you guys. I'm not sure if I want to show you guys when I'm installing all these components. It's up to you. I'm gonna upload this video first, and if you guys want me to, I will. Or if you guys have any questions on the process, let me know. But as of right now, I still have to add some wires. One of them is going to be a shielded wire that's going to run from the tremolo. I'm sorry, from the one of the potentiometers here. It's going to run all the way this way, where I'm going to have it's going to come here. It's going to have the 0.22 UF capacitor that's going to here's where all the mix happens here with the tremolo section. So it's gonna be here, and there's a resistor coming from here to here, which allows the tremolo to be inputted into this section here, so it could run through, V3 and then the power tubes. But I am almost done. I'm kind of digging the way it's looking right now. So here's my BluesBreaker build that I'm almost done. Alright, sorry about all the movement. See you later.